Hi everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'm reviewing Ethereum Blast. This application is promising you guys out there free Ethereum for playing it. That's right, the Ethereum cryptocurrency. I hope you enjoy and I hope you're having a fantastic day out there. Let's kick this off. Ethereum Blast is one of these money-making applications that stands out to me because of how simple it is to actually play and earn on it. Now, just like any of the money-making game applications we've covered on the channel, do not expect to get rich off of this application, okay? That's just not how it's going to work. Depending on your age, gender, and location, this application will pay you completely different to what it's paying me here in Australia, so please always remember that going into Ethereum Blast. The whole concept of Ethereum Blast is very straightforward. All you need to do is literally match a certain amount of blocks on the screen to then earn Ethereum in the form of the in-game currency of coins. Once you have generated enough coins that you're happy with, you can then convert that into real-life Ethereum that will get transferred to your Coinbase account. Now, the question is this actually going to pay or not? That's what I'm going to be showing you on this review. I want to break down though what you can expect when you play Ethereum Blast. Now, the first thing I want to get out of the way here is the actual advertisement system on this application and how it might annoy some people. Essentially, for you guys to actually play any of the levels on Ethereum Blast, you will have to watch an advertisement. Not only that, if you fail a stage, you will then have to watch another advertisement to repeat the same stage again. Ethereum Blast will give you 20 tries per day, at least in my country, to allow you guys to try and complete as many levels as you can in that 20 time span. Then from what I've seen, it refreshes itself every 24 hours. Even if you fail a stage on Ethereum Blast, you will be rewarded with coins, so I actually do appreciate that a lot from the developers. Mind you, it's probably not going to be a lot of coins, but I did notice when I did fail, I was at least still rewarded. Now, when it comes to the actual minimum cash out on this application, you'll roughly need about 28,000 coins or so in my country to be able to cash out. So that can be achieved within a couple of levels, guys, so it's not a major deal. In fact, you can also cash out Bitcoin as well for the same minimum cash out needed. So that's a really cool feature of Ethereum Blast, and I noticed this is part of the Bling game developers collection. So Bling has a huge amount of different cryptocurrency earning applications. And the really cool thing about them is that once you're done with this application, you can then jump to their other collections with the same account, and your account balance will actually go over to the other Bling applications. So even though you completed your 20 tries on this application, you can then jump to the other applications. At least that's what it used to be when I reviewed it previously, and I'm assuming it's still the same system. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, and join my free newsletter to help my YouTube channel get seen around the platform. Thank you so much for helping me grow. Now, the more that you use Ethereum Blast, you'll notice that the game will get progressively harder. And remember what I said, even though it will get harder for you guys to complete the levels, you should, in theory, get rewarded still, even if you fail them, okay? What you'll notice is that this is a very bare bones and basic application, but it is designed very well, so anyone can generally pick it up and get straight to earning, which is exactly what you want to see with a money-making application. And I do have to say, the use of the in-game items really does spice up the gameplay a bit. Once you guys play this application, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. As you progress, it does get harder and you will need to use in-game items more than likely, or you probably will fail the stage, which again is fine as you still get rewarded. Probably will get sick of the constant advertisements over and over again, especially once we eventually get to that cash out section and I share my feelings on what I think about their payment system and how much they actually reward you guys for playing their app. I generally found myself earning between about 10,000 to 30,000 coins each time I completed a level on Ethereum Blast, and to me that was quite a bit because I noticed when I failed a level it only rewarded me with about 4,000 to 6,000 coins. Now I swear to God I don't know if this is just my mind playing tricks on me, it might even reward you the same amount of coins for failing a mission. But I did notice I only got rewarded with those smaller amount of coins when I did fail, okay? So just keep that in mind. Maybe pay attention to how much coins you're earning per level, just to make sure you can kind of get a grasp on how much coins you can earn per day on Ethereum Blast. And I have to say, everyone, I thought I was going to be in for a massive payday of Ethereum, 800,000 coins. I was hoping for at least $1 worth of real life Ethereum to hit my Coinbase account. And I am happy to say, once I cashed out, guys, it arrived instantly to my Coinbase account. I only got paid about 24 cents Australian currency for my 20 levels of completion on Ethereum Blast. So take that as you will, everyone. If you think that's worth it, then that's completely up to you. I personally don't think that's really worth the time of 24 cents for an hour. But with all said and done, it is a legitimate application, and that's what I really can appreciate. And I do know some ways where you can earn more from these type of bling applications. Now, if you want my tips on how to earn more, as I touched on earlier, if you guys jump between the different applications that Bling offers you, you can really build up an account balance that will seriously start to add up over time, especially if you play all of the Bling games every single day, okay? Like, you should really be able to earn more than what I earned. The only thing is, there is a limit on how many times you can cash out on these type of Bling apps per week. At least that's what I had in my country. But I am happy to say that Ethereum Blast is 100% legitimate at the time of this recording. I do also recommend a money-making application called Coinsupply. If you guys like earning cryptocurrency, Coinsupply is another fantastic option for you. You can literally play games, complete surveys, and complete offers and tasks, plus enter giveaways to win free cryptocurrency. Very straightforward. I've actually reviewed it on my channel before if you guys are curious on looking into that one. I definitely do recommend Coinsupply though, fantastic application. And I'm sure a lot of you guys out there would love to use it, especially for the people that want to try and earn a little bit of cryptocurrency on the side. And that's my personal opinion about all the Bling games, by the way. These are some great little fun applications just to use when you're bored, essentially. I wouldn't take them too seriously at the moment until they increase how much they pay you every cash out. That being said, if you guys know any other cryptocurrency earning applications, don't be shy, please let me know in the comments, because I'm always open for trying new applications and money making methods, okay? The thing about Bling as well is that they're an actual developer that cares about you guys, from what I can see. With their instant cash outs, it really does set them above most of the cryptocurrency earning games that I've played so far on my channel. Fingers crossed they stay this way, by the way, because I've noticed sometimes applications end up turning out dodgy, so hopefully that's not the case with Bling. They have millions and millions of downloads though, so I'm sure we're fine. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all in a few days. Catch you later.